Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a maze puzzle game using Canva. First, open Canva in your web browser and log in to your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design. After clicking that, choose Custom Size. A small box will appear where you can enter the width and height for your design. Type 1000 for the width and 1000 for the height, then click Create New Design. This will open a blank square canvas where you will build your maze puzzle. Next, go to the left sidebar and click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar and type Activities Maker. When the Activities Maker app appears, click on it. This app includes different tools for creating worksheets and puzzles. From the available options, choose the Maze Maker tool. Once you select the Maze Maker, Canva will automatically generate a maze and place it onto your page. The maze will include a clear starting point and an end point. It will also include a solution line that shows the correct path from the start to the finish. Now you can customize the puzzle to make it more interesting. Go to the Elements tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type words like maze, start, finish, character, or any theme you want. After that, select the solution line that shows the correct path through the maze. Change its color so it matches the background color exactly. When the color matches the background, the solution line becomes hidden and players will not see the answer. When your maze puzzle is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then click Download and save the file as a PDF or image. Thanks for watching.